Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we're going to start from going to our main page for console.cloud.google.com. Make sure that you are right here on this main website. And so from here we're going to search in this search bar Text-to-Speech API. And so from here we're going to click on search. Once you write text-to-speech API, it's going to be this first result, Cloud Text-to-Speech API. Click on it. And so from here, it's going to direct you to this main page where it's going to show you to enable this API. So click on enable. And now once you do enable, it's going to enable it fully and allow you to get the API key. Once you do so, you can see right here, this is the page where it shows to you and 4 graphs. Now all you have to do is go to the left section where you can see credentials. Click on it. Once you see credentials, as you can see, this is the API key. So you're going to click on show key. And as you can see right here, this is your API key for the Cloud Text-to-Speech. Copy it. Now all we have to do is go to a new page. And so from here, go to search for the Chrome extensions and the Web Store. Once you go to the Chrome Web Store for extensions, we're going to search for a Web Store extension called WaveNet, which is going to be WaveNet for Chrome. Now from here, simply click on Add to Chrome and then add the extension. Once it installs the extension, click on it. And as you can see, credentials and then API key. So the API key that we have just copied, right click and click on paste and then click on validate API key. And there you go. Now it works fully. So we can use the sandbox right here. So for example, if I say subscribe to the channel and then click on read aloud.
Subscribe to the channel.
There you go. It works well. Or you can simply download it and it will download and install on your computer and you can use the MP3 as you want. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.